Hello guys, welcome to another session. In this session we are going to look into how to create our first React project. So let's start our discussion. So far we have installed Node and the text editor, that is Visual Studio Code. So these are the two things which is required to create the React project. But along with that, we also required a scaffolding tool which ease our work of project structure creation. If you want to get the detail about this scaffolding tool, you need to visit this site, that is https://github.com/facebook/create-react-app. So this is going to be the tool for project structure creation. There are two ways you can use this tool. The first way is the npx, where you don't need to install it. The second way is the npm, where you need to install this create react app in your system and then you can use it. We will look into both the ways. So first we will create with the help of this command npx create react app, and you should provide the name of the project. So let's do it. So to create the project structure, you need to come to the Visual Studio Code and first press Ctrl backtick. So it will open us the terminal, and over here we need to specify the command. So let's specify it npx, and then we need to specify create react app and the name of the project. You should be providing the name of the project in a smaller case. So I'm going to specify hello react by npx. Enter. So it will start the creation process, and this process will take almost 5 minutes. So I'm going to pause this video. Once it is being done, then I will get back to you. So now it has created the React project. So to run this project, you need to come here and type cd name of your project hello react npx. Go inside the directory, and here you need to specify npm start. Enter, and this will run the project. So let's look into that, what output it is giving. So once you run this, then you will find this output over here. Now let's proceed further. To stop it from running, you need to press Ctrl C, then you need to click on yes, y, and enter. So it will stop running. So now we will look into the second way by which we can create the React project, and the second way is the npm install create react app -g. So we need to run this command first, and then we need to specify this command to create the project. So let's do it. But prior to that, we need to come out from this directory. So we need to write cd ... We need to come one level down, and here we need to specify the command npm install create react app -g, and then press enter. So it will install the create react app globally within our system. So I'm pausing it. It will take time. Once it is being done, I will get back. So now we have installed create react app. So now let's use it. We need to specify create react app and the name of the project. And this time I'm going to specify hello react by npm. Enter. This will also take the same amount of time, almost 5 minutes. So see here, it has started building it, and it has created a folder with the name of the project which we have specified. So I'm pausing now. Once it is being done, then I will come back to you. So now the project structure is being created with npm. So let's look into the output. To see the output, we need to specify cd and go into the project, and here we need to specify hello react by npm folder. We need to go there, first clear it cls, and over here we need to specify npm start and enter. So it will open the browser, and this time also we got the same output. So this is the output you will get. So now let's proceed further. So to stop it from the execution, you need to press Ctrl C, yes for y, and enter cls. So now this is the two way by which you can create the React project. So now we have seen that ways to create the React project. In the next session, we are going to look into what actually it contains, the project structure. So we are going to look into what actually it contains in more detail. So on this note, I am stopping over here. See you in the next session. Till then, bye bye, take care.